Oh,
Just
good.
iron.
So,
I'm just going to do a little manipulation just here, okay? Hold on, and I'll push your arms over, hold on to your shoulders. Good, and relax, thank you very much. Perfect, well done.